ax plus d equals to x. So we have x minus ax equals to d. x कॉमन लेंगे तो we have 1 minus a equals to d. One identical matrix x into I minus a equals to d. Now we are multiply both sides by I minus a inverse. X into I minus a into I minus a inverse equals to d into I minus a inverse. These two will cancel out. So we have x equals to d into I minus a inverse. Now the formula of inverse is 1 over determinant of a, which means I minus a into adjoint of I minus a into d. So we have to find the determinant of I minus a. I is my identical matrix, means 0 means 1 0 0 1 minus a11 a12 a21 a22. So we have 1 minus a11 minus a12 minus a21, and here 1 minus a22, and now we have to find the adjoint of I minus a. So adjoint of I minus a into d equals to, एडजॉइंट के लिए प्रिंसिपल डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स चेंज करते हैं और नॉन प्रिंसिपल डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स का साइन चेंज करते हैं. सो वी हैव 1 minus a22 here and 1 minus a11 here, and plus a12 plus a21 plus a12 here, and d1 d2. So we have 1 minus a22 into d1 plus a21 d2, and here a12 d1 plus 1 minus a11 d2. So now we are writing x equals to 1 minus adjoint 1 minus determinant of ai into adjoint of I minus a into d. So we can write 1 over determinant of I minus a. Determinant of I minus a here, 1 minus a11 into 1 minus a22 minus a12 into a21. So we can write this here, 1 minus a11 into 1 minus a22 minus a12 into a21 into adjoint of a into d, this one. 1 minus a22 d1 plus a21 d2 a12 d1 plus 1 minus a11 d2. So here we get the value of x. Of course x equals to x1 and x2. Now we are doing Cramer's rule. In Cramer's rule, we have to write the formula a11 x1 plus a12 x2 plus d1 equals to x1 a21 x1 plus a22 x2 plus d2 equals to x2. Now we have to take x1 here and d1 here. So we have done this already. These two. 1 minus a11 x1 plus minus a12 x2 equals to d1, and here a21 x a21 x1 plus 1 minus a22 x2 equals to d2. We can write this in matrix form. So we have 1 minus a11 here, minus a21 here, minus a12 here, and 1 minus a22 here, and x1 x2 equals to d1 d2. Now we can take determinant equals to 1 minus a11 into 1 minus a22 minus a21 into a12. This will be my determinant, and we have to find x1 x2 dx1 dx2 and x1 x2 also from the use of this. So in Cramer's rule, when we have to find dx1, we have to interchange this with the constant variable. So here d1 d2 minus a12 into 1 minus a22. So this will be my d1 into 1 minus a22 minus plus d2 into a minus 2. Similarly, for dx2, we have to substitute second value. So here 1 minus a11 d1 minus a21 d2 equals to 1 minus a11 into d2 plus first minus plus a21 d1. We have dx1 and dx2. Now we have to find x1. x1 equals to dx1 by d equals to dx1 is d1 into 1 minus a22 plus d2 into a12, and d is my 1 minus a11 1 minus a22 minus a21 a12. Similarly, x2 equals to dx2 by d dx2 is 1 minus a11 d2 plus a21 d1 by 1 minus a11 into 1 minus a22 minus a21 into a12. So this completes our three methods.